Here, as a full YouTube-style script for your topic. How relationships become toxic with your requested elements. I've kept it engaging, clear, and suitable for a short video. Opening scene. Calm background. Soft music. On-screen text. How relationships become toxic narrator. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a tough but important topic. How relationships become toxic. If you've ever felt drained or unhappy in a relationship, this video is for you. Cutscene. Person looking frustrated or sad. Narrator host. Not all relationships start bad, but sometimes small issues can slowly turn a relationship toxic. Let's break down the main reasons this happens. Scene. Animated list appears on screen. 1. Lack of communication. When partners stop talking openly or hiding feelings, misunderstandings grow. Over time, silence can create resentment and emotional distance. 2. Constant criticism. Criticism that isn't constructive can hurt self. If you or your partner are constantly putting each other down, it slowly chips away at love and trust. 3. Controlling behavior. Trying to control every decision, friend, or activity of your partner can lead to feelings of suffocation. Healthy relationships are about freedom, not dominance. 4. Lack of trust. Trust is the foundation of any relationship. Jealousy, suspicion, or betrayal erodes it and creates tension. 5. Neglecting emotional needs. When one or both partners ignore each other's emotional needs, it can create distance. Feeling unheard or unloved makes the relationship toxic over time. 6. Resentment and unresolved conflicts. Arguments happen, but if issues are never resolved, resentment builds. Small grudges eventually create a toxic environment. Cutscene. Couple arguing, then sitting in silence. Narrator and host. So how can you prevent toxicity? Quick tips on screen. Communicate openly and honestly. Set healthy boundaries. Address problems. Early show appreciation and empathy. Closing scene.com background. Couple smiling and talking. Narrator. Host. Recognizing the signs of toxicity is the first step. Remember, healthy relationships take effort from both sides. Don't ignore the warning signs. End screen with channel logo. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Bellicon. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more relationship insights. On-screen text. Like. Subscribe. Bellicon. If you want, I can also create a punchy, scroll-stopping thumbnail text idea for this video so it draws more clicks. Do you want me to do that next?